the things what happened to Wole Soyinka recently, and the things when they happen to the same Yoruba people, aka the Oduduwa people. Look, we are not here to judge, but we are here to analyze. We are not here to conclude, ladies and gentlemen, but we are here to say things exactly the way they are. Okay? We're not a bias in this platform. Okay? But after listening to this program, any way you want to take them. If you like, believe. If you not like, leave them the way where you see them. So we go start with waiting they happen in Nigeria. But ladies and gentlemen, before we go into this program full time, I want to thank those of una. Let me say, una don't subscribe to Funky D. And for those who never subscribed before, please do subscribe before the end of this program. Okay? Now, una know say it go dey very, very difficult for God to forgive Nigerian people, because some Nigerian people in social media, and not only the ones in social media, a lot of them, they ask God for forgiveness, God to forgive Nigerian people, and I don't know the reason why when they talk all those kind of things, when they know waiting their forefathers don't do to innocent Biafran people. You know? The reason why when God no go ever forgive Nigerian people, now because of the way where they treat Biafran people, until when they go allow Biafran people to go. That time God may consider whether he go forgive Nigerian people or not, most especially the same Yoruba people. Today, the fruit, the plants when the Yoruba people don't plant, now when they reap the fruit of their labor. Like Wole Soyinka, Obasanjo, all these are prominent leaders, including Bola Tinubu. So now una the reaping una soul. Now una put Nigerian people the one when they did today. Now una put Biafran people the one when they did today. So God will never forgive all of una until una allow Biafra to go. That is without any further stress. Two reasons now him go make God not to forgive Nigeria people. The Yoruba people. Today now, somebody like Wole Soyinka, where they don't sell Abacha, they don't sell Buhari, they don't sell Obasanjo, they don't sell all these wicked leaders give Nigerian people. Today, Wole Soyinka, they come out, they talk, say, Hesmin now, Yoruba people should stand up, and this and that. I say now, una go reap the fruit of una labor. The second thing when go make God not to forgive Yoruba people, because then go bear the consequences of waiting they don't do to Nigerian people. Like I said, most especially to Biafran people. Una not dey transparent to Biafran people. You know, Biafrans are like the children of Israel. You cannot easily be oppressing these people and think that there will be no repercussion in the future. So the repercussion now him the Yoruba people, aka the Oduduwa people, they reap. That is why Hesmin will not live for now. That is why even the Amotekun, when don't bring come out, that is why they disappoint now. Now Amotekun when don't bring come out, they don't already surrender to AK people. AK, when we say the Kabas in the north, then they use them all over Nigeria. So tell me how una want to progress. Again, the second thing when we make God not to forgive the Yoruba people. Now because of the impostor in Aso Rock again, when una know Wole Soyinka no say no be Buhari did there. Obasanjo no say no be Buhari did there. All of them when did there, all the whole pastors from Oduduwa land no say no be Buhari did there. Pastor Bakari, no. The other man they call Adeboye, no. TB Joshua, no. All these Yoruba people now evil when una don't create for grant. Now they disturb una. Evil when all of una don't create put for grant. Now him they disturb una. Now una they sell Buhari today. Somebody like this one they call Wole Soyinka or Obasanjo. That see they talk Buhari. But now Wole Soyinka they come and they talk say, oh, in not sure say Buhari still they in charge. The same thing when Obasanjo don't talk say no now Buhari when he know before not be the Buhari when he know now. I'm not sure say that the same Buhari when he know now. Look, una got to come out clean and speak the truth to Nigerian people. The Yoruba people now them be the problem when we get today. So the reason why God no go forgive una just like that. Until when all of them will come out one after the other to confess on a sin against 200 million Nigerian people, not against only Yoruba people, though, because this means that they against the Oduduwa people, then they against other tribes in that country. Everybody in that country, these people they against them. So una they sell Buhari when una no say Buhari don't die since. Now Aisha Buhari don't run leave Nigeria. None of una don't come address her. Over a year now, Aisha Buhari don't take off. Nobody know where Aisha Buhari did. And I don't ask una last time, say, where this woman, Aisha Buhari? And I see one article today, after I don't make this video for almost a week plus now, one guy don't come and ask, say, where is Aisha Buhari? Like, he can't put question mark. So, the problem when the Yoruba people create for grant na him then they reap. That is why you see herdsmen they no go leave una until una can confess una sin one after the other. Obasanjo is still alive. Obasanjo must come out to confess to Nigerian people, say that man when they Aso Rock not be Buhari. All of una they go Aso Rock every now and then go they visit this person when they Aso Rock. When una they show us old pictures when una don't take before with the real Buhari. They use picture, they lie to Nigerian people. So, okay, look at Channel Television. The owner of the Channel Television from the same Yoruba land. All these people, they sell evil to Nigerian people. So, if you not confess about the deceit, the deceive, when they deceive Nigerian people, the herdsmen people no go leave that land of Oduduwa. All of them, they go meet Buhari like I said before. This man, what they call Wole Soyinka, in don't come and they talk say, in not sure see na Buhari dey in power because say herdsmen don't visit them. Funky this say herdsmen never really visit you. The time when they go visit you, you must to know. Herdsmen never really visit the Yoruba land. The time when they go visit the Yoruba land, all of una go know. So God no go ever forgive anybody when they propagate evil to Nigerian people. The only way when God will take it, forgive una, be say, una go let us know say that man went there for Aso Rock not be the legitimate president of Nigeria. One. Secondly, una go must allow Biafra to go. Whether una tell us, una not tell us, una must allow Biafra to go. Because the Biafran people, when una go lay hand upon, are the children of God. Then be the children of God. I don't know whether Yoruba people say children, whether children of God they among them. I don't know, because all the whole pastors in Nigeria, check them. Most of them come from Yoruba land. No one ever come and tell us the truth one day. Everything whether they propagate now evil, telling us that man in Aso Rock is Buhari, whereas Buhari not there. Today now, shame not let them come talk about Aisha Buhari. A situation where president would. So you when be Wole Soyinka, your own wife go leave you for almost 1 week. You know go ask about your wife, where your wife dey. Obasanjo, TB Joshua, all of una, what if this man, Adeboye, Pastor Kumuyi, all of una, I say whether if una wife leave una for at least 3 weeks, let's say 3 weeks, and una not know where in day, una go ask say, where this my wife dey? So why can't be say if the Buhari one they claim to us, say he die life, say na in dey Aso Rock, why he not go find a wife? Then if una they let us know say no go find wife, when they claim say no go find a wife, we no one go find a wife. When they say in-law, when they tell us say now the wife get those children for am, una they tell us now the man. So now we say the man are very irresponsible person. But not be matter of being irresponsible, ladies and gentlemen. The man in Aso Rock is not Buhari. The people, when they make all these things, they talk all these things, they do all this nonsense. What do they do? Where they claim say na Buhari, na the Meyati Allah people. Now them be the presidency in Nigeria. So if we not come tell us say that man, most especially these men when they call their names, we not come tell us. I say herdsmen people, they no go live now. Herdsmen will destroy that southwestern part of the country to finish. Herdsmen will take over that place if we not can tell us who be that person when they for Aso Rock. Now, herdsmen never even strike 1-2. Wole Soyinka don't they come and say they go invade the forest. He cannot go to his forest and house. They don't invade them. They don't invade this. They never take over anything. They never invade anything until when una. When they claim say that una be our leaders. Now una they come to lie to us. Herdsmen never invade. Herdsmen never start to do anything with this Yoruba people when they be the Oduduwa people. They are too cunning. They are too cunning. Adeboye, when they claim say na overseer of one church there. TB Joshua they claim say na him be overseer of one church there. All of them they claim say na them be the overseer of this, overseer of that, and then get this. Una they go inside Aso Rock. Though na only TB Joshua one I never see inside Aso Rock. The rest of them they go inside Aso Rock, including that one when they call when wanted to become president, including Kumuyi, the Deeper Life boss. All these men when they claim say they be men of the demons. Then they go inside Aso Rock all the time. And when I come and I will tell you, oh, I don't see President Muhammadu Buhari. I don't see President Muhammadu Buhari. Suddenly, somebody like Adeboye is older than Buhari. Somebody like TB Joshua is older than Buhari. Suddenly, even Femi Fani-Kayode is older than Buhari. I don't just get it. So, number one thing when una go do before, because all this prayer when they pray say, oh, may God forgive Nigerian people now. How God go take help Nigeria? How God go take come save Yoruba people? How God go take come save? How God won't take save you? How God will come take save an evil man like you? When you they tell your people say the man went there for Aso Rock, nah Buhari. When you they label the southeastern people say they be terrorist states. And the people, when they commit the crime, they turn blind eye for where they dey. The people will not do anything, now them come turn to terrorists. So anything when you want like after listening to this analysis, it is up to you. But I just dey tell you how everything is going to unfold until when una go leave Biafran people alone, until when una go leave Nnamdi Kanu alone, until when una go let us know say the IPOB they not be terrorist organization, until when una go let us get our own sovereign state, until then God will decide whether he will forgive una. And again, another second thing we say, until when una come tell Nigerian people say this man when they for Aso Rock not be President Muhammadu Buhari. All of una know say not be Buhari did there. All of una know say that Miyetti Allah they control that thing. I mean the so-called power when all of una they drag. So if una not let us know, let the world know. Come out in public like now when it come be like say Wole Soyinka because he don't see one small attack from the herdsmen, he don't jump and say oh he not sure say Buhari still dey into power. Waiting, I see some people when they talk say waiting old man see sit down see say small pikin when stand up he no go fit see that thing. That one na just parable when una dey take the deceive Nigerian people. That parable not make any single sense because young men, able-bodied young men, young guys don't see all these things before. Come they lecture on and say mercy the way when things be. Somebody like Wole Soyinka, all these one they call their names, they no go come tell us say they're not here when now they can't they tell the world say that man when they are so rock not be Buhari. Today I come be like say, oh Wole Soyinka don't come and come they admit. What are you admitting when the whole world already know say the man when they are so rock not be Buhari? What is Obasanjo coming out to tell us? Nothing. Una won't tell us because we don't already let una know say the man when they inside that sorrow not be Buhari. Long time. So all those parables say waiting old man sit down see young man no go see. All those one are things one are they deceive people in Nigeria. And those kind of parables not they make any sense because all these things we don't let una know before say the man when they are sorrow not be Buhari. Today now Wole Soyinka, Obasanjo, all of them they come and they talk say, oh, they're not sure say na Buhari did that. You're not sure say na Buhari did that, but every day they go Aso Rock, they can't tell us say na Buhari did that. Oh, we go visit President Muhammadu Buhari. We go visit President Muhammadu Buhari. So level they pass level, ladies and gentlemen. All this kind of topic when they come they give Nigerian people, nobody they buy them again. That is why Funky D say until when una go allow Biafra get their own sovereign nation peacefully without fight. Biafran people they don't want fight, they just want to live. Because since una not like Biafran people, una not want to include them in the government. So allow these Biafran people to go their way because una hate them. You not feel marry wife, you hate your wife. And later you still want to hold that your wife down in a relationship. So if you don't love your wife anymore, the best thing to do now to divorce her. So una go divorce the Biafran people, then continue marrying with the terrorist organization. Una will continue marrying with the terrorist herdsmen. Number one, because Biafran people, like I said before, they are the children of God. They don't make wahala. They don't fight anybody. They are there doing their own business, legitimate businesses. Now in Biafrans that they do. The ones when they find government appointment or things like that, or when the politicians there among the Biafran people, they are very few people. So una, most especially the Wole Soyinka, you not see anything now the kind of don't they tell on this since 2017 say the man when they also rock na impostor before that one can still die with Abakari. Now Miyetti Allah don't fully take in charge of the nation. Now, one Miyetti Allah man when they call himself Governor Bala Mohammed go come and come talk see herdsmen get the right to begin to carry arms and kill people and nobody cares. So una go continue to marry with these people because now una when be the Oduduwa people they support them. Now una they create all these monsters when they for Nigeria. Now una they create them. Because of the collaboration between the South and the North. So that is why we get all these monsters. That is all these problems when they everywhere. So that is why God say he no go forgive Yoruba people until when they go allow Biafra to go. If they won't go do meeting with the Fulani people to see how they go allow Biafra to go, may them go do that meeting immediately. And again, Una, because Wole Soyinka never really confess. That one when he talk say, in not sure say na Buhari dey for Buhari still dey in charge, is just a mere talking. Wole Soyinka is still a shareholder in this same their Buhari government. Wole Soyinka daughter dey serve Buhari. So also Obasanjo. So also all these pastors from Yoruba land, they are benefiting from this, even from this terrorism when they happen. Today, one Yoruba man, a king, the man don't come and come talk say, no, Yoruba people got to stand up. I just finished watching another video of Wole Soyinka, and when they talk say Yoruba people got to stand up to start defending themselves. I can say, now you know. Now you know, say, una go continue to defend on yourself, or una go stand up. Una never see anything. So, ladies and gentlemen, now this one I say make I can't tell Wole Soyinka. This man, Obasanjo, Bakare, the other one when be Pastor Adeboye, TB Joshua, all of them plenty, them yakba for grant. These people, when we say, now then they enslave 200 million Nigerian people with a janja with northerners. So, if una no leave Biafra alone, una dey into problem with this Fulani herdsmen. Then go come, then go slaughter, then go kill, then go adult. Then go do everything they like until they take over everywhere. Thank God say una don't see when they talk say now then get Yoruba land. Now then get the whole forest when the Yoruba land. Now they ask Wole Soyinka say which forest you they claim say now your own. Now the thing when herdsmen people they ask Wole Soyinka, making tell that the forest say the forest belongs to them. Finally, the reason why they no want come talk say na impostor, say na these people Meyati Allah people na then they there. Now because say they no want give Nnamdi Kanu credit. These people they are mean, ladies and gentlemen. They are not want give Nnamdi Kanu any credit. That is why you see say these people they are not agree talk and say that Meyati Allah they control that nation. But whether una talk una not talk, I don't tell una. Wait, na tell una. Say if una not release, allow Biafran people to go, una go get am hot with the Fulani people. Because now the monsters when una create for grant. Now the trees when una don dey plant since many years they come. Now the fruit, when they don't bear, now him una go pluck. Right now, una go bear the consequences when go come from the northern Janjaweed criminal caliphate leaders. Plus their herdsmen, their foot soldier. How do they call them? Their foot soldier, you know? So una go bear them because now una plant all these trees put for ground. Evil trees. Now una plant put for ground. So Wole Soyinka, I'm very sorry. Now so it be the Yoruba people, not be everybody. Now una leaders when they talk about all those una leaders, they not be better people. Una better find how una want take do those leaders before, so that una go get peace. Because if they don't leave Biafran people, I'm not sure see peace will come in the Yoruba land as it stands right now. Okay. So una go cry, clean una tears. I say God no go leave una alone. Make una leave Biafra alone and come tell Nigerian people say that man when they there not be Buhari. One love everybody. Now here we go stop. If you know say you never subscribe to our channel, please do begin subscribe right now. Bye for now. I'll see you guys next time from Canada.